So I bought my backhoe at an auction. This is a nice machine. It's got some issues. It's got a 4-in-1 front bucket, clamshell back bucket. Looks like a grader blade to go in the clamshell. It needs a windshield. We're doing that today. I ordered and came in Saturday. Windshield, a new rubber. It's a Case 580C. It's in really good shape. It's only got 1,500 hours on it. So let's set this up here.
Like that, the one for the and but there was I was kind of looking at some of them. You had
Some of them are getting really good.
took off real good.
Yeah. I got 30 subscribers now.
Yeah.
And that's the thing. That's the key that they get.
Yeah, because it was only 28 the other day subscribers.
Build it in the yard. You just build one in the yard. So that is some guy in town who could build up now.
Oh yeah, no town. I don't know. I got that side pretty much down almost to the corner, I think. That, yeah, pull that lock right off there. I've been doing is cutting the rubber. Huh? No, these lights are gonna screw us up. But what I was kind of hoping is we can get the thing tipped out. We might be able to pick it up.
Pick it up, yeah.
Behind, behind the lights.
I mean, they'll come out one way or the other. One going in, we just have to.
Well, exactly. We're gonna have to like pick it up and then slide it down. Which is what we'll do is we'll set the bottom seam on the pinch weld first, anyway, and then just draw it in. Do anything about it.
So what, you gonna have your backhoe now?
No, I'm gonna get rid of the other one at some point.
Yeah. Let me, you know what, will it fold, like right in half? Just let it do its thing. It's still way better than, if we didn't tape it at all, it would have been.
Right.
And this isn't laminated like you were saying, no, that's just regular tempered.
It is now.
Yeah. Yeah, it's laminated now. I've got the bottom started over here, so I should be able to. Just watch your eyes.
Yeah, I saw this thing up there and it was like in really, really good shape compared to mine. So the price was right at the auction. And I found out it only has 1,500 hours on it.
Really?
77. It'll be 50 years old next year.
Yeah.
It's got all kinds of neat add-ons. This wiper's gonna mess this up now, I think.
Yeah.
Probably should. Put the rubber down to the corner. But
I got, in this corner, I'm over about a foot off the bottom seam, so we've only got about 2 or 3 feet of, so that's why I was thinking about trying to just pick it up off that bottom pinch weld,
yeah, we can.
but I don't know how it's gonna, that's why I was gonna try and, where's that wiper? It's on your side, okay, good. Because I was thinking I'd just wrap this area with tape. But I'm afraid once I pull on it, it's just gonna wanna.
Yeah, we can take a minute. I can run out and do brakes.
With this part. This would be the worst part of it, really.
This side will come out.
This is gonna come out. It's just gonna be.
It's gonna be. We're
It's
gonna have
gonna
to
be
dig
a
out
mess.
some more on the bottom, which that's
Yeah.
fine. I expect the bottom anyway.
Yeah. No, there was no way that we're gonna do it completely clean. There you go. You got it. You own the old piece of crap.
Lay it on the hood. The wiper there.
Yeah.
There we go. It's not bad at all, really.
No, the cat. This is where it would be rusted if it was in. Matter of fact, that bottom lock was full of water
Really?
when I unlocked. Yeah, it's a surprise. Not bad. Too bad. It'd be nice now if we had a garbage bag.
Okay.
We were talking about gloves, but we should be all set now.
Well, we don't really. Well, we
Jeff's got a vacuum. He mentioned it this morning because we were talking about how this was gonna be tough to do without making a mess. Yeah, no, the cab is in this lip.
But not bad. Not like my
No.
cab. Huh.
I think it's one of those things, the right thing to do is clean it all up and paint it, let it, you know, but.
Yeah, we're not gonna do the right thing. When do we have to do the right thing, Bruce?
Yeah.
Occasionally.
Yeah, we try. We think about it.
Yeah, we think about it.
I was kind of hoping that we might be able to slip this on,
Yeah.
and then just pick it up in the box.
Get it over towards you.
Yeah. Now, if you wanna, can you hold it from here, and if I go on the other side and pick it up and send it your way?
You know, let me get off of this and try to pick the box up a little first.
Okay, yeah.
And push it in.
Oh, all right, yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Need to get up. Good.
One work.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. I mean, like I say, we didn't tape the thing up. It'd all be right there,
Oh yeah, definitely.
all on the ground.
So the battery went dead and didn't catch it. We do have the glass in. It took 3 of us and a lot of foul language, and it's in. It's not quite right. Hopefully there's no problems, but we're gonna let it set and take a look at it again. I'll come up tomorrow with you guys, and I gotta clean the glass, the broken glass up, and start getting this floor cleaned up. More bee spray, kill some more bees.
Yeah.
You still make hoses or no?
Huh?
Do you still make hoses?
I have it. Yeah, I've got the press.
You got hose though?
I do have some hose. I don't know how fittings are more, which you can get the fittings from Amazon and stuff. I was looking, knowing that I was going to be needing fittings. I was kind of looking them up and stuff.
Take a look at these after you're done and
Yeah.
tell me what they are. I think they're JIC. I don't know what size. I'll put them up in order and if you could have a hose.
Probably on this machine they'd be JIC. I'm thinking mostly.
Two simple hoses.
Yeah, actually, you got a ton of hoses like this on this thing. Six, 2/8 type. Yeah, I'm thinking JIC. It's a swivel. Still is six. Yeah, that's on. Yeah, that's pipe thread. So that's like. Yeah, yeah. So it's. Yeah. Wow, it's not so much the machine itself, but the implements.
Yeah.
You know, even this bucket itself.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know why they call it a 4-in-1.
Dozer blade,
Oh, okay.
clamshell, which would be the regular blade would be.
So you figure a bucket, dozer
Dozer
blade.
And then I don't know why,
Yeah, I don't know why they call.
other than you can grab that you can dump with it. I don't know.
Who did he say that Morley owned this?
Yes. Alrighty. Glass. I'll come up tomorrow, clean the broken glass up, clean up the glass in here. This floor is going to be replaced. I'm going to start taking that all apart. I've got a new one up the hill there. I'm going to take the dash off. I'm going to fix the brakes at some point. I'm going to start working it. Okay, I'm going to put this in my truck. Monty, come on! Come!
Hey! No.